Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Aniseta Nana's Facebook and YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join us for today's live stream music recital entitled Beyond the Classics. Last season, we celebrated the beauty and tradition and innovation through our recital entitled Classical Meets Contemporary. It was a journey where timeless masterpieces met modern expression. This 54th season, we will continue our story. Beyond the Classics is more than just a recital title. It is a reflection of growth, courage, and artistic discovery beyond what is familiar and expected. Mega shout out to all of you who are joining us from near or far. Sit back, relax, and experience this musical journey with us. And without further ado, please welcome our piano recitalist, Ryan. And now let's move on to our awarding of certificate with Mommy and Brother Adam. All right? So let's read the content. Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Certificate of Achievement. This certificate is proudly presented to Ryan Benjabar for having successfully completed the Piano Adventures Level 1, Sight Reading, Theory, Lesson, Technique and Artistry, and Performance Part 1 with, let me count the stars from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with 5 stars. Let's give a hand to Ryan. And for dynamic and active participation in this 54th season's live stream music recital, given this 26th day of June 2026 at Nanyos Music Studio International, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Signed, Edna L. Nanyos MacD DS LPT, and yours truly, Aniceto G. Nanyos Jr. MBA LPT. And this certificate is for you, Ryan. Congratulations. Hold it and show it to them. All right. Here on this camera. Yeah. Okay. Put it a little bit down. No, it's okay. Just now. Yes. Thank you. And then one more. So we have Piano Adventures exams. Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This hereby certifies that Ryan Benjabar is officially awarded the primary exam diploma for excellence in theory and performance dated 31st March 2026. Signed, Faber Piano Adventures, Nancy Faber, Randall Faber, and yours truly, teacher Aniceto G. Nanyos Jr. Congratulations, Ryan. This one's for you. Let's give a hand one more time to Ryan. Thank you guys for tuning in, and watch out for our upcoming live stream music recital. God bless everyone and take care. Bye-bye.